So can you have isoarea tessellations involving hexagons? Yes. Yes, you can. This is the start of knotted web, which, if taken directly as 1, 2, 3 positions of threefold rotational symmetry, gets you to this manner of repeating. But if you move those positions of rotational symmetry further out, you can actually even involve rhombus twists in this situation, and it creates some really wild constructs where we have the same thing on both sides. We have some parts that are acting like knotted web and some things that are acting like fairy rings from last year's Advent of Tess. So it's kind of crazy how everything can be merged together to create new forms.